Sore after a long day or intense workout? This tiny device could be your new recovery best friend. Meet the Eugim Mini, a smart muscle stimulator that targets deep tension and pain using low-frequency electrical pulses. It's completely wireless, USB rechargeable, and fits in your palm so you can get deep muscle relief anywhere, anytime. Control intensity and massage type from your phone using the Eugim app, from relaxation to sports recovery. Perfect for athletes, office workers, or anyone with daily muscle strain. Using TENS and EMS tech, it targets your sore muscles and melts away tension in minutes. At your desk. On a flight. After a workout. It's quiet, light, and easy to wear anywhere. Control everything from your phone, switch between modes for relaxation, recovery, or a quick recharge. This little ball doesn't just bounce, it makes music with your body. Meet Phonotonic Move, a motion sensor that turns your movement into sound. Every step, twist, and jump becomes a beat. Just connect it to the Phonotonic app, pick your sound style, and move. Great for dance, workouts, music education, or just having fun. It's playful, educational, and insanely creative. Change instruments, tempo, and rhythm with a tap. Your body is the controller. Phonotonic Move, where movement meets music and you become the beat. Tired of playing hide and seek with your keys, wallet, or remote? Meet Pixie, the AR-powered lost item finder that doesn't just beep, it shows you exactly where your stuff is. Just attach a Pixie tag, open the app, and follow the visual path right to your missing item, even through walls. It's not just Bluetooth. Pixie uses augmented reality and precise signal mapping to lead the way. Perfect for forgetful mornings, messy rooms, or when your stuff walks off by itself. Pixie turns where is it into there it is. No more guessing. Just finding. You can stick it to your wallet, toss it in your luggage, or even attach one to your pet's collar and never lose track again. Traveling? Pixie helps you find your suitcase before it hits the carousel. Dog playing hide and seek again? Pixie doesn't just beep, it points right to the spot. With up to 150 feet of range, you get audio cues, visual arrows, and even distance countdowns. Battery low? The app reminds you before you're left in the dark. Stop searching. Start Pixie ing. The future of finding is already in your hand. You can stick it to your wallet, toss it in your luggage, or even attach one to your pet's collar and never lose track again. Traveling? Pixie helps you find your suitcase before it hits the carousel. Dog playing hide and seek again? Pixie doesn't just beep, it points right to the spot. With up to 150 feet of range, you get audio cues, visual arrows, and even distance countdowns. Battery low? The app reminds you before you're left in the dark. Stop searching. Start Pixie ing. The future of finding is already in your hand. Tired of timers and to-do lists that don't actually motivate you? Meet TimeFlip, the smart timer you just flip to stay on track. It's a physical time tracker with up to 12 customizable sides. Label each one for a different task, flip it, and the countdown starts. Every flip syncs with the TimeFlip app, logging your time so you can track your day like a pro. Get insights, reminders, and even break alerts, all designed to boost focus and fight burnout. Whether you're studying, working, or gaming, TimeFlip turns time management into a hands-on habit. Less distraction. More action. With TimeFlip, time is literally in your hands. Tired of mosquito bites ruining your day? Then meet Bandido, the bug-fighting bracelet that does all the work for you. No sprays, no stinky lotions, no harsh chemicals. Just wear it and let it do its thing. Bandido uses natural essential oils like citronella, peppermint, and lemongrass to keep bugs away safely. It comes with refillable pods that last up to 15 days each, perfect for camping, travel, or your backyard barbecue. What if your desk could control your lights, music, or even your smart TV? Meet Welli, a smart gesture tracker that turns any surface into a touch interface. Using ultrasonic waves, Welli tracks your fingers' movement with pinpoint precision, no cameras, no contact. Draw a circle to dim the lights. Swipe to change the song. Tap to take a call, all with a finger wave. Use the app to customize gestures for your favorite devices, from smart speakers to home security. Welli lets you control your world without touching a single button. Just wave, and it obeys. Low battery? No problem. This is DoubleUp, the world's slimmest credit card-sized power bank. At just 6 millimeters thin, it's lighter than your keychain and fits right in your wallet. With a 1200 mAh battery, it gives your phone or earbuds that extra boost when you need it most. One device. 3 essential tools. Meet Qiub, your power bank, charging cable, and flash drive, all in one pocket-sized cube. Need a quick charge? Qiub gives you on-the-go power with a built-in USB plus Lightning/micro USB/Type-C cable. Plus, it's a storage drive to back up your files, photos, or videos with just a tap. Perfect for travelers, students, or anyone who hates tangled wires and forgotten flash drives. It fits on your keychain, weighs next to nothing, and eliminates 3 gadgets from your bag. Qiub, 1 cube to charge it, sync it, and store it. Sharing keys just got smarter. Meet the UK1 Smart Lock Box, a modern way to store and share access without worry. It's Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi enabled, letting you unlock with your phone, fingerprint, or code, no more hiding keys under mats. Send one-time or scheduled codes to friends, guests, or cleaners from anywhere. With IP66 weather resistance and military-grade security, it's built to protect in any condition. Install it by your front door, on a gate, or even on a rental property. Setup is simple. Access is smart. UK1, because giving access should be smart, secure, and seamless. Want to know who accessed your keys and when? UK1 gives you full access logs in real time. Whether it's a guest, friend, or dog walker, you'll always know who's coming in and when. It runs for months on a single charge and sends alerts when the battery's low. You'll never be caught off guard. Hosting on Airbnb? Skip the key handoff. Just send a code and let you handle it. Or give your kids fingerprint access, no more lost keys or forgotten codes. UK1 Smart Lockbox, where convenience meets confidence. Your keys. Your rules. Bad posture while working? It's more serious than you think, but Anywhere has your back, literally. Just attach it to any chair, and instantly upgrade your posture, no bulky gear, no effort. Anywhere adapts to your spine, shoulders, and pelvis, nudging your body into the perfect position while you work or study. Use it at your desk, on the couch, or even in a cafe. It's portable, lightweight, and doesn't require power. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to better productivity without even thinking about it. Anywhere, the posture seat that helps you sit smarter, wherever you work. Most posture devices pull you back, Anywhere lifts you up. It works with your body, not against it. It's like having an invisible physical therapist, constantly guiding your back, shoulders, and hips into alignment. And no, it's not bulky. This thing fits in your backpack and weighs almost nothing. Use it in school, libraries, co-working spaces, or even at home. You'll feel the difference in just minutes. Users say it's a game changer, not just for posture, but for energy and focus too. Why wait to fix your posture? Anywhere makes sitting right feel completely natural.